Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door switch for your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the dryer won't turn on at all, or because the dryer turns off while it's running. For this repair, all we'll be using is a short screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our dryer that we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind your dryer might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So we're going to open up our door here, and right here you can see our door catch, and to get to that we're going to have to take this front piece off. So we'll close the door up again. So I'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver, and it's our little short stubby guy because we're dealing with an awkward angle and not a lot of space. Now that we've got those front screws off, the bottom's hanging freely, so you can just pull out, and there are a couple clips up top which should just pop right out when you angle it a bit. So here you can see there's a couple of wires. These wires go to the door switch right here, so we're going to unplug those first. And with those unplugged, we can take this and move it so we've got a little bit of a better angle to work with, and we're going to open up the door. And now I'm just going to kind of lean it back a little bit. So you can see on the sides there's a couple of tabs, and what you have to do is squeeze on either side of the tabs, and once you've done that, you should be able to get the switch right out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement door switch, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So to put the door switch in, all we have to do is just make sure you slide that electrode through the hole first and push it straight in, and it should snap into place. So that's nice and tight, and you can close the door up, and now we can hook the wires back up. So we're just going to make sure that we've got the wires in the same arrangement that they were before. Yellow goes on this side, and the blue one goes on this side. Okay, now go back to the front. And now we're going to want to put the front panel back in place. To do that, we're going to just do the opposite of what we did to take it off. We're going to pick it up and angle it a bit, and just tilt it back until you hear both of those clips snap into place. Then you should be able to close it up. And now we can screw the bottom back in. So you're just going to want to make sure your panel's pushed in all the way. And once you do that, you should be able to get your screw started in the hole. There we go. And now we can just screw it back in. There we go. And once that's screwed in, you can plug everything else back in, and your repair is complete. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.